Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Epify. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to buy Caliber Strength Training app Plus. So without getting further delay, let's jump into our video. Here, go to menu icon on bottom right corner, and here you will be seeing Progress Photo Gallery. Simply tap on it and here it will show you this kind of interface. So here you need to unlock full access with Caliber Plus. In order to unlock it, you need to buy it. You can take yearly or monthly. Once you select it, tap on try free for 7 days and it will ask you to do payment. You can use any payment mode. So that is it for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.